celebrated po on the 3rd September. So, actually po, madalas po namin ginagawa to pero nasa loob lang po kami ng aming sariling box sa hospital. But this time, we want to share with you and give you some insights regarding SIMC, regarding the Alzheimer's disease. So in behalf of the SIMC, Geriatric Unit, the Public Health Unit po, we welcome you to our community forum, talakayan dedicated to raising awareness and understanding Alzheimer's disease. So this year, ang theme po natin is Time to Act on Dementia and Time to Act on Alzheimer's. So this is a global call. It's the growing crisis. Kasi po, minsan tapikin niyo po yung tapikin po natin ang ating sa kanan, taas natin ang ating kamay sa kanan. Sabihin niyo po, kanan, tapikin niyo po yung ating katabi. Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka?
Kabaw ka na ba?
Kabaw ka na ba?
Kaliwa.
Kaliwa?
Mag-ingat-ingat ka at malapit ka na.
Malapit ka na.
Okay? So, hindi lang po pagkaalam natin kung ano ba ang ating simptoma. Pero importante this time po, ano ba ang dapat nating gawin para hindi tayo magkabaw, mag-Alzheimer's kung tawagin. So together, this morning and the rest of the afternoon, let us engage in this meaningful discussion. We have a talk show to share valuable insights and work towards creating of commitment and making a positive impact. Kung meron man tayong dementia na, ano po ba ang pwede pa nating gawin? So I hope and I extend my heartful gratitude to your participation in this vital journey towards Alzheimer's awareness and advocacy. Thank you so much, and let us embark on this enlightening impact for the unity.
Dito pala mga dignitaries Oh, hi. Hi.
Naka-vlog yan.
Hi. Magsalita kayo mamaya.
Happy Geriatric Day!
Yes. Diyan na tayo. Ayan.